Welcome to the summary from last week about how to show your bottom of the construction or any 3D element and show it in your profile, including annotations and elevations. So here on the left side, you see the 2D. On the right side, you see the 3D. What we'll do here is to get this line. Can be any 3D line basically, but let's say this line, and show it in the profile view and then including the annotations for the drawings. So what here, go to the profile model, and here we can go into the geometry. So geometry, and then project the profile along the elements. So what we can do is here we can set the feature definition. I think it's wise to do. So we can pick any element here. Let's say transfer line. So we can pick it and then project it on the plan. So now it will show up in the profile drawing. So let's give it a name. It's important to give it a name, so we can say this is CL4, for instance. So the next step is to generate a drawing. So we go to drawing production, create a name boundary, profile. So here you can see it. I will pick the regular one. So you select this one. So I will pick it. I will select the 1 to 1000. So we've got more information on the sheet. So like here, I'll do it one more time. Okay, let's say 2 sheets. Now again, you have to make sure you select the annotation group. So let's pick a A1, depending a bit on your workspace. So here you've got the target. So the target, I will explain it later on, is the CL4, which we have just created. So it means it will include the annotations for the So 2 sheets basically. So what we have got here, I will delete the border. So here we've got the value of thickness. So interesting one is we gave it a variable, so it's changing along the alignment. So that's what we see right here. So how did we get there? So when we go back to the Explorer, the first thing you need to do is basically select the text favorite. That's important. So what we can do is here we can go to the text favorite manager, and then here we can create a new one. And what is this? This is the OpenRoads profile annotation, and it has the profile annotation. And make sure you're selecting the distance placeholder. Yeah, so select this one. So give it a proper name. So now we go back to the OpenRoads standard group, and here we've got the drawing. So that means including the table information, we can right click on the manage. So advice is to use it to include it in your workspace, not to do it every time in your project file. But this is just an example how it works. So here we got the table information. So you can enter, you can create a new column or a new label basically. So add a new label. Yeah, so a new label. This is the title of the one. And now we can select the definition. So make sure you're selecting profile to profile. And then which profile. So here you see the name CL4. And where is this one coming from? It's coming from a option here which is called alias. So we can create more profile names or elements and give it a proper name. So that's what we have done. So I call it CL4. And then once you've done that, you can select it from here, which is pointing back to the element which we projected, which we gave also the name CL4. Yeah? So that's how it works. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. So yeah, you can pick any element. So that was it. Hope to see you next time. During the week, we will focus more on profile drawings and how to show the elements in your profiles. Okay, thank you and hope to see you soon again. Bye bye.